So I'll be showing you how you can check the storage space available on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. It's very simple. Simply swipe up from the watch face and then find the settings icon. Scroll down on the settings page until you get to battery and device care. Tap on that, and then under that, scroll and tap on storage. And then you might be required to grant some permissions for storage. So just go to permissions and allow these permissions. Okay, then go back. This is only if it's the first time. Okay, and then also grant permission to access the photos and videos so that it can check accurately how much space is remaining. And then now when you tap on storage, you should be able to see how much storage space you have left. Okay, I've currently used almost 10 gigs, so that's 9.58 out of the 16 available gigs. And you can also see what's occupying what space. So we have images, audio, and apps. Okay, so the amount of storage space I have left is 16 minus 9.58 gigs. And that's basically how to check the available storage space on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.